Hello students, I hope you all are fine. In this video we will start exercise 12C. That first sum is a if a plus b is equal to 5 and ab is equal to 6, find a square plus b square. A plus b is given and ab is also given. We have to find a square plus b square. So what is given? A plus b is equal to 5. This one is given. So what we will do? Squaring on both sides. So if we will do the square of a plus b, we will write like this. Then we will do the square of 5 also like this. So a plus b whole square is a formula that I had given you yesterday. So you have to learn that formula. So a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to square of 5, 25. So what is given? AB is given. We will put the value of AB here. So rest we will write as it is. A square plus b square plus 2 multiply value of AB 6. Then is equal to 25. So a square plus b square plus 2 6 are 12 is equal to 25. So a square plus b square is equal to 25. Here in LHS 12 is positive, move to RHS, negative 12 minus 12. So a square plus b square is equal to 13. So answer of this sum, a square plus b square is equal to 13. Now students, third sum. If a square plus b square is equal to 29 and ab is equal to 10, find a plus b. So students, I had given you 13 formulas to learn, but I am telling you one trick to solve these type of questions or to identify which formula you will use in this sum like this. So what we have to find? A plus b. So see, is there any formula of a plus b whole square? Yes. So that formula we will use. If formula is not there, then we will see what is given. So according to that we will use the formula. So a plus b whole square formula is there. So first we will write the formula of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a plus b whole square we will write as it is because we have to find a plus b. So is equal to a square plus b square is given 29. Then plus 2 multiply value of ab 10. So a plus b whole square is equal to 29 plus 2 tens are 20. So a plus b whole square is equal to 49. So a plus b is equal to under root 49. As you already know, when we will remove the square from LHS, so RHS value will come inside the root. So a plus b is equal to square root of 49 means 7. So answer is 7. Now move to the second part. A b. So see student, what is asking? A minus b. So is there any formula of a minus b whole square? Yes. So that formula we will use. So a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a minus b whole square as it is we will write. So a square plus b square is given, that is 29. Then minus 2 multiply ab, value of ab is 10. So a minus b whole square is equal to 29 minus 20. So a minus b is equal to, or a minus b whole square is equal to 9. 29 minus 29. So a minus b is equal to under root 9. Then a minus b is equal to 3. So answer of second part is 3. Now students, see fifth sum. If a plus 1 upon a is equal to 3, find a square plus 1 upon a square. So student, we have to find a square plus 1 upon a square. So see, is there any formula of a square plus 1 upon a square? No formula. So now we will see that what is given. A plus 1 upon a is given. So we can use the formula of a plus 1 upon a whole square. So it means we will do the squaring on both sides. So we will do that. So squaring on both sides. So a plus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 3 square. So a plus 1 upon a whole square means a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2 is equal to square of 3, 9. So a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 9. Here is plus 2, move to RHS, minus 2. So a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 7. So answer is 7. Fifth sum is completed, so we will start eighth sum. That is, if a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 1, find a minus 1 upon a. So what is asking in this? A minus 1 upon a. So is there any formula of a minus 1 upon a whole square? Yes. So we will use the formula of a minus 1 upon a whole square. A minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. So we will put the values. So we have to find this. We will write as it is, a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to a square plus 1 upon a square is given 11 minus 2. So a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to 9. So a minus 1 upon a is equal to under root 9. Here is square, so RHS will come inside the root, so under root 9. So a minus 1 upon a is equal to 3. So answer is 3. That is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 10 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 38. Find ab plus bc plus ca. So student, is there any formula of ab plus bc plus ca whole square? No formula of ab plus bc plus ca whole square. So see what is given. A plus b plus c is given, a square plus b square plus c square is given. So we have the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. So it means in this sum we will do the squaring on both sides. So a plus b plus c is equal to 10 is given. So now squaring on both sides. So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to square of 10. So we have the formula of this a plus b plus c whole square, that we will write. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to square of 10, 100. So student, we have this value 38 plus. Now you can see 2 is common in AB, 2AB, 2BC, 2CA, that we will take common. So 2 we will take common. So what will happen? AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 100. We can write this formula also on this directly. So now we will take this 38 to the RHS. So 2AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 100 minus 38. So 2AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, 62. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 62. 2 is in multiply with AB, BC, CA. So goes to RHS, divide. So divided by 2. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 2 3 is 6, 2 1 the 2, 31. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 31. Now students, see 11th sum. Find a plus b plus c. If a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 83 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 71. So students, see what is asking in this sum. We have to find a plus b plus c whole square. So is there any formula of a plus b plus c whole square? Yes, that formula we will write first. So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. So plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca. We will write this formula ab plus bc plus ca. So a plus b plus c whole square as it is. So this value is given 83 plus 2. Then what is the sign between 2 and this bracket? Multiply. So multiply value a of ab plus bc plus ca is also given this, that is 71. So we will solve this. So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to, according to the board math we will solve, first multiply. So 83, then 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14. 83 plus 142. So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 3 to 5, 8 4 12, carry 1, 1 and 1 2. So a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c is equal to under root 225. So a plus b plus c is equal to square root of 225, that is 15. So a plus b plus c is equal to 15. Students, if 14 sum, we have to find a cube plus 1 upon a cube if a plus 1 upon a is equal to 5. So is there any formula we had written of a plus 1 upon a whole cube? No, we had not written, but we had written this formula a plus b whole cube. So this formula we will implement on this. So a plus 1 upon a is equal to 5. So now cubic on both sides. So cubic on both sides means a plus 1 upon a whole cube is equal to 5 cube. So a plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, then a plus b this. So this we will put here. So it means a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3 multiply a multiply b. Value of b is here 1 upon a. Then a plus b. So a plus 1 upon a is equal to cube of 5, that will come 125. So now we will put the value. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube we will write as it is. Then a to a cancel. Then plus 3 1 the 3. Then a plus 1 upon a is given, that we will write multiply 5, because 3 before this bracket sign is multiply. So 3 multiply 5 is equal to 125. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube, 3 5s are 15, is equal to 125. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube, this 15 move to RHS, changes into minus. So minus 15, 125 minus 15. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to 110. So answer is a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to 110. Now students, 16 sum. If 2x minus 1 upon 2x is equal to 4, find first part 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square. So students, see this, we can find this by doing the squaring on both sides of this. 2x minus 1 upon 2x is equal to 4, then we can find. So we will do the same. So 2x for first part, 2x minus 1 upon 2x is equal to 4. So what we will do is squaring on both sides. So it means 2x minus 1 upon 2x whole square is equal to 4 square. This we can consider as a minus 1 upon a whole square. See, this denominator is also same, 2x. So we will use a minus 1 upon a whole square. So a minus 1 upon a whole square is equal to a square means 2x square plus 1 upon a whole square. So 2x 1 upon 2x whole square minus 2. So here we will write minus 2 is equal to square of this 4, 16. So 2x square means 4x square and plus 1 upon 4x square. So this we can take at the RHS. So 16 here minus 2 move to RHS plus 2. So 4x square plus 1 upon 4x square is equal to 16 plus 2 means 18. So answer of first part is 18. So in second part is asking 8x cube minus 1 upon 8x cube. This we can find by doing the cubic on both sides. So because here is power 3. So 2x minus 1 upon 2x is equal to 4. So what we will do, cubic on both sides. With this power we are finding that whether we have to do cubic or squaring on both sides. So we will do cubic on both sides. 2x minus 1 upon 2x raised to the power 3. So 4 also raised to the power 3. This one we will consider as a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube means a cube means 2x cube. Then minus b cube, a cube minus b cube, 1 upon 2x cube minus 3ab. So 3 multiply a 2x multiply b 1 upon 2x. Then a minus b, it means 2x minus 1 upon 2x is equal to is cube root of 4 means 64. Then 2x cube means 8x cube minus 1 upon 8x cube. Then 2x to 2x cancel. Then what? 3 multiply, because here sign is multiply, then value of 2x minus 1 upon 2x is given, that is 4 is equal to 64. So 8x cube minus 1 upon 8x cube, 3 4 the 12 minus 12 is equal to 64. Then 8x cube minus 1 upon 8x cube is equal to 64 plus 12. Here minus move to RHS plus. So 8x cube minus 1 upon 8x cube is equal to 4 plus 2 6, 6 1 7. So answer is 76. Now students see 18 sum. The sum of the squares of two numbers is 13 and their product is 6. Find the sum of the two numbers, the difference between them. So we can let the two numbers be a and b. We can let a and b. So now we will see what is given according to the question. The sum of the squares of two numbers is 13. It means a square plus b square is given, that is 13. Because the sum of the two squares of two numbers is equal to 13. And their product is 6. It means AB is equal to 6. So what we have to find? The sum of the two numbers. In first part we have to find sum of two numbers, A plus B we have to find. Then in second part, the difference of between them we have to find A minus B. A minus B. So for first part we have to find A plus B. So we will see that we have the formula of a plus b whole square. Yes, we have. So that formula we will write, and in the formula we will put the values what are given. So we can find the value of a plus b. In the same way, we can find the value of a minus b. So students, 18 sum you will do yourself and comment the answer in comment box. So this exercise is completed. Thank you.